Question 161. How do you ensure data protection and privacy in Azure DevOps deployments? By implementing data encryption, access controls, data masking, and anonymization techniques, Azure DevOps deployments can safeguard sensitive information and comply with data protection regulations. Regular audits and security assessments help maintain data privacy and integrity. Question 162. Can you explain the use of YAML pipelines in Azure DevOps? YAML pipelines allow defining build and release pipelines as code in a YAML file. This approach enables versioning, code review, and reuse of pipeline definitions, improving traceability and maintainability in Azure DevOps CI/CD workflows. Question 163. How do you approach disaster recovery planning for Azure DevOps environments? Disaster recovery planning involves creating backups, defining recovery procedures, and testing failover mechanisms to ensure business continuity in case of system failures or disasters. By implementing backup strategies, redundancy, and failover mechanisms, Azure DevOps environments can recover swiftly and minimize downtime. Question 164. Describe a scenario where you had to optimize Azure DevOps costs for a project. I optimized costs by right-sizing resources, implementing cost monitoring and budgeting, using reserved instances, and leveraging Azure DevOps cost management tools. This helped reduce unnecessary expenses, optimize resource utilization, and ensure cost-effectiveness in the project. Question 165. How do you stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in Azure DevOps technologies? I stay updated by attending conferences, webinars, and workshops, participating in online communities, reading blogs, and experimenting with new features in Azure DevOps. Continuous learning and exploring new technologies help me stay informed and adapt to evolving trends in the field. Question 166. How do you ensure the security of Azure DevOps pipelines and resources? As an Azure DevOps engineer, I implement security best practices such as role-based access control, secure credentials management, and continuous security scanning to detect and mitigate vulnerabilities in pipelines and resources. Question 167. How do you handle performance issues in Azure DevOps pipelines? I monitor pipeline performance using Azure Monitor, analyze bottlenecks, optimize resource allocation, and leverage caching mechanisms. I also conduct load testing and scale resources as needed to improve performance. Question 168. What experience do you have with infrastructure as code tools in Azure DevOps? I have extensive experience with tools like Azure Resource Manager, ARM templates, and Terraform to define and automate infrastructure deployment in Azure. I ensure consistency, scalability, and version control of infrastructure configurations. Question 169. How do you integrate third-party tools with Azure DevOps for CI/CD pipelines? I utilize Azure DevOps extensions, REST APIs, webhooks, and custom scripts to integrate third-party tools like Jira, Slack, and SonarQube into CI/CD pipelines. I ensure seamless automation and data exchange between tools. Question 170. How do you ensure compliance with industry regulations in Azure DevOps deployments? I implement compliance policies, encryption, access controls, audit trails, and data retention policies in Azure DevOps pipelines to meet regulatory requirements like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. I also conduct regular compliance audits. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.